Hey, you wonderful weirdos. It's my sad duty to report that we lost a soldier here in the evil Lair. That's right. My favorite vice has done been broken. Unfortunately, the shaft that this screws into, yeah, it's not supposed to do that. It's supposed to tighten right up into there. And that's not the case anymore. It just kind of works its way right back out. So we gotta make a decision. I'm a firm believer that if you're gonna be cheap, you can't be lazy. So we're gonna go ahead and repair this with these materials. Got ourselves a 3/4 1 foot threaded rod, gauge 10. We're going to cut carefully, place this inside and weld it into there. This way when we put it back inside, it will twist right back into it. Just like that.
I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. You know, after all we've been through, honey, I'll be there for you.
Yeah, I'm still learning how to do this. Thought that we was on some till the dead do us. Been with some new ones and learning the language fluent. But the truth is they'll forever be measured by your influence. Yeah. I look at them and all I see is you. Your daddy issue and you know I'm comparing the features to me and you. Time to let it be, this on everything. Now I need to see the photos, can't get rid of your memory. Cause we got all that history we can't erase. Thinking that we run away but we just stand in place. Getting bodied, you can go and chalk it up to fate. You could walk away but just know that in any case that
I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. You know, after all we've been through, honey, I'll be there for you. No matter what you're going through, all the places that you're going to, no second guessing without question, know that I got you.
yeah, let me say my piece. I could see the truth, you can't speak. It's on me, cause you would say this time is different. But you ain't never switch up. Went from picture perfect to I get the picture. Yeah, now I'm conflicted with it. Said that you would get the help you needed. Didn't get it, through the towel and quit it. I'll admit it, time to let it be. But that's on everything that used to set me on fire, the kerosene. So
I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. You know, after all we've been through, honey, I'll be there for you. No matter what you're going through, all the places that you're going to, no second guessing without question, know that I got you.
we got all that history we can't erase. Thinking that we run away but we just stand in place. Getting bodied, you can go and chalk it up to fate. You could walk away but just know that in any case that
I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. You know, after all we've been through, honey, I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. You know, after all we've been through, honey, I'll be there for you.
Alright, so we got it installed. It's in there, it's pretty tight. It should be somewhat loose to move around a little bit. You don't want it too tight, right? But now we got another problem. And I didn't think about this. This is much larger than what was in there before. So obviously it can't trail through. And honestly, I just don't have the equipment and the tools to widen this. And then its backside too. Because there's 2 different holes in there. So what do? Here's what we do. We alter the handle. I don't really want to do this. I don't. Alright. But yeah, that's where we're going to be at. So this much right here, I'm going to have to shave, comb this down, and then put it through the thing, the vise, backwards. Right? So it'll fit through the hole, but then this stays beefy so it still goes through the nut and everything. Right? And then we'll add a spring, couple washers, maybe a clip washer, although I don't think that's going to be a problem now. And we got to figure out a way to turn the handle around. Let's start grinding, and then I'll put some words down here in this area for you. Let's go.
Shorty slid up in the DM since she heard me on the radio. Yeah, looking good in that photo like a lady I already know. Whoa, now I don't know who you are. Please don't take this wrong. We can kick it, no. Yeah, looking like that body perfect, but all that drama that ain't worth it. She looking good up on the surface, but probably thinking I'm the person gonna grab that bag that she need purchased. Yeah, say she got that Coke bottle figure. It's hard to tell just the face up in the picture, but ain't got nothing on my missus, man. Got them things you didn't have, looking good, I give it that. But she got a body like a model, girl, you make me sweat. Yo, but we can't kick it, no. Shorty slid up in the DM since she heard me on the radio. Yeah, looking good in that photo like a lady I already know. Whoa, now I don't know who you are. Please don't take this wrong. We can't kick it, no. She a dime if I seen one. Got a body, she a mean one. Yeah, and I mean to cause harm, I mean none. She's not the one to run your game on. Like I'ma give her all the things she asked for. Stamps in that passport, playing games like she getting cash as she pass go. Yo, probably thinking that her Instagram famous, and wouldn't holler, think I didn't have paper, but got a body like a model, girl, you make me sweat. Yeah, yo, but we can't kick it, no. Shorty slid up in the DM since she heard me on the radio. Yeah, looking good in that photo like a lady I already know. Whoa, now I don't know who you are. Please don't take this wrong. We can't kick it, no. Say she know who I am, I don't think she understands. Honey, I am not that man. No, I'm never gonna be that man, no. Send your number all day. Why they gotta play these games? Why are they all the same? That's why we can't kick it on. We can't kick it on. Shorty slid up in the DM since she heard me on the radio. Yeah, looking good in that photo like a lady I already know. Whoa, now I don't know who you are. Please don't take this wrong. We can't kick it, no. Shorty slid up in the DM since she heard me on the radio. Yeah, looking good in that photo like a lady I already know. Whoa, now I don't know who you are. Please don't take this wrong. We can't kick it, no.
Alright, you wonderful weirdos. That's it. It's done. Check it out. Boom. Closes. We add a little spring to it to make sure it clamps down on things really good and hard. We recycled some materials that we had laying around here, and we made ourselves a working vise. I know this wasn't probably one of the most exciting videos we have done here on the Evil Lair projects and builds, but we needed it. We needed it. Need a vise. So I hope you enjoyed it. If nothing else, I hope you enjoyed the music. Comment down below. If you have a suggestion, definitely comment down below. What can we make here in the Evil Lair? Or who can we make it for? Whatever the case may be. I'm happy to help in any way that I can. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.